Right now, sentiment around cloud technology is spiking at plus 0.77, a clear deviation from our historical baseline. This is noteworthy because it indicates a rising optimism that we haven't seen in the past few weeks. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.16, it signals an emerging trend that you can leverage. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, breaking down this data into semantic clusters, giving you insight into the driving themes behind the sentiment. Imagine you're a developer building an application that analyzes tech trends. This spike could help you identify which cloud solutions are gaining traction, allowing you to align your product roadmap accordingly. For the full details and to harness this data in your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.